Welcome to another video where we showcase the innovative SWYAM Smart Pump Controller, designed to simplify water management for your home or business. Let's take a look at how to wire and connect the SWYAM Smart Pump Controller. As you can see from this diagram, the live and neutral wires connect to your power source. The motor wires are connected directly to the pump. The controller includes 3 sensors. SL sensor for the lower water level in the overhead tank. SH sensor for the higher water level in the overhead tank. A main sensor for the reservoir tank. Each sensor is connected to the corresponding input terminals on the controller, with the common wire linking all sensors together. Here's how it works. When the overhead tank's water level goes below the SL sensor, and there is enough water in the reservoir, the pump automatically turns on to refill the tank. As the water level reaches the SH sensor, the pump automatically turns off, preventing overflow and saving electricity. Thank you for watching. Visit our website or contact us today to know more.